Kaamna Academy, where learning is a super fun. Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for a super fun adventure into the world of measurement? We are going to learn how to find how big, long, heavy, or full things are around us. Let's get started. What is measurement? Anyway, how long? Measurement help us know if something is long or short, like a pencil or a snack. How heavy? We can find out if something is heavy like an elephant or light like a feather. How much? It tells us how much water is in glass or how much juice is in your box. It's like being a detective and finding clues about the size of everything. We use special tool to help us. Measuring length and height. Let's find out how long things and how tall you are grown. We can use school tool for this. Tool we use ruler for measuring small things like your crayon, measuring tape for longer things like your table, your hands and feet. One ways to measure, but everyone hands and feet are different size. Fun activities, paper clip challenges. How many paper clips long in your hand? Let's count. Who is taller? Compare a tall graph and a small rabbit. Why do you think? Who do you think is taller? Measuring weight. Scientists just discover what light as a feather and what's heavy as a rock. Scales help us. We use a scale to find out how heavy something is, just like when you weigh yourself or when your parents weigh vegetable at the shop. Light and heavy, fun. Which is heavier, a tiny apple or a giant watermelon? Thinks about it. Match the weight. Can you guess which object is heavy and which is light? Let's match them. Feather fun. Hold a feather in one hand and a book in the other. Fill the difference. Now, measuring capacity volume. Let's learn how much liquid different container can hold. Cups and jugs. These help us measure liquid like water, milk, juice. We can see if a glass is full, empty, or full half. Filling for imagine filling a glass with juice. We can measure how much juice it takes to fill it up. Which has more? Look at two bottles. Can you tell which one has more water and which one has less? Comparing and estimating. Let's become super gazer. Then check your answer with measurement. Longer or shorter? In is your bed longer or shorter than your table? Heavier versus lighter. Is your school bag heavier or lighter than your lunchbox? More or less? Does a bathtub hold more or less water than a small bucket? Guess measure activity. How many blocks long do you think your pencil is? Take a guess and then measure it. Where you close. So, unit of measurement. We can measure using anything we want, but some units are standard and help everyone understand. Fingers, you can measure your table in finger length. Pencil, how many pencil long is your classroom? Centimeter, a ruler has centimeter for exact measurement. Grams, when you buy yummy snacks, their weight is often in gram or kilograms. Not standard units are fun or estimating, but standard unit like centimeter, grams, and liters help everyone get the same answer. Time for more measurement fun. Let's keep exploring the world of measurement with these exciting activities. Make your own ruler. Print a ruler, cut it out, measure everything around your house. Sort by size, cut out pictures of objects and sort them from smallest to largest or largest to heaviest. Color by size, find pictures where your cloth object based on whether they are long, short, heavy, or light. Measure me challenge. Ask your parents to help you measure your height and how long your arms and Lexa. Measurement is everywhere, and now you're measurement expert. Keep measuring, comparing, and describing. Thank you, kids, and keep exploring.